Hey, so today I'm just gonna go over a quick kind of install guide of these halo lights. First off, they're from Top Gear Autosport, not sponsored, but I make so many posts about them, I probably should be. Um, they're, I think 200 bucks shipped, so they're actually pretty cheap for what they are. They're pretty bright when you're actually driving with the headlights on, but the running lights don't provide too much light. So behind the wheel, back up in there, you can kind of see there's a can, and there's gonna be 4 screws on the back. All you gotta do is pull off your tire, undo the 4 screws, and the whole can, this whole part is gonna come out of the back. And once you get that out of your original one, you basically put the new headlight in, and it's basically like plugging something into the wall. Super simple, plug and play. You plug them in, but that's just for the headlight part. The halo lights, depending on how you want to wire it up, there's a wire that comes out the back here's the wire right in here. I wired it into what used to be the little running lights that come factory on the side of the 280Z. My Z does not have them. I think the guy before me like welded in a plate to delete them, or it just didn't come with them, I don't know. But if you splice the LED halo wire into the little wire that would go to the side marker, it already has a fuse and all that, so you don't have to worry about anything burning out or blowing up or catching on fire. And the nice part is on your little headlight switch, the off position, everything turns off. First position is just the halos, and second position is the headlights. So when you're just taking pictures or driving around in the daylight, you can leave the halos on. And yeah, they're super simple, 200 bucks, and they completely change the look of the car. Probably one of my favorite mods. Yeah, I think they're 180 bucks. Shipping was probably 20. And message me on Instagram if you need any help installing them if you do get them. Thank you.